Okay, here we go. First box break for me of 2011 Topps Allen and Ginters. My eBay name is kind of on there. It's a extra fine Sharpie. And I'll be taking it kind of slow so you can see everything that you got. Okay, here we go. Okay. Danny Valencia there. Jake Peavy, black, mini. Not too much in the first pack. Josh Hamilton. Clay Buckles, parallel. Brett Gardner's the mini there. Kyle Petty, Jurgens, Pedroia, and the minis Carlos Santana. Oh my, what do we have here? I'm not even sure who the hell this is. Daniel Bouloud, award-winning French chef. This one feels thick. Let's see what we got here. Nothing much. Tim Collins black is the mini there. Nostradamus. Tasmanian Devil mini. Still no relics. Some tortoise in the hair mini. Well, that was my cat, sorry. Tommy Hansen black mini. Oh, we're getting pretty deep in the box without a relic here. I didn't know there's Mickey Mantle on this set. Fire Eating a Man mini. Tulowitzki black parallel. Corey Hart's the mini there. Get these packs out of here. Orangutan mini. Give me a little trouble. Lysocheck, oh boy. Gelner portrait for the Ginter code. Mini. Still no relics. Modern Man for the Lemp Mansion mini. Still no relics. We got about 9 packs left here. Josh Rodriguez from the Pirates is the mini. Still nothing. 8 packs left. Gosh, Eric Sogard from the A's, rookie card mini. Still nothing. Oh, this one looks promising though. Still nothing. Kurt Suzuki mini. Oh, 6 packs. There's all 3 relics are in here. Alcides Escobar mini. Still nothing. Dang. Ooh, Troy Tulowitzki rip. 10 out of 10. Nice pull there. And Stephen Drew's the mini there. Brett Gardner. Another Brett Gardner. Double for that. The Yankees. Still 2 more. Only 3 packs left. Let's see what we get here. That's interesting. Toast. Well, there's 2 packs, and I've only gotten 1 relic, so should be 1 in each pack, I guess. There we got screwed, and well, there's definitely something in here. Joe Madden. One more. It's gotta have another relic. Let's see what it is. It does. Johnny Damon game used patch. Well, that's it. Probably be putting another one up here. Thanks for bidding, and I'll be sending your cards out tomorrow.